People oftentimes ask me, okay, what are some of the cases that you've worked, that you've actually litigated and tried, that you feel best about? There was one case in particular where there was a lady, she was about 30 years old. She was pregnant with her first child and she delivered the baby. And then right after she delivered the baby, she started having problems with her heart. Her heart rate went up. She started retaining fluid. And appropriately, she got sent to the cardiology floor. They worked her up. They really didn't figure out what was going on, but they put her back on a normal unit. And when the day that they were going to discharge her, she literally unraveled. She decompensated. She went into a cardiopulmonary arrest. The doctors came in, they put in IVs, and she died. All that they needed to do in order to save her was to leave her alone. She had something called Peripartum Cardiomyopathy, which means heart damage or heart problems after delivery of a baby. In these cases, 99% of the women live. Their hearts don't function well for maybe days to weeks, but then everything comes back to baseline and normal. And all that has to happen is that these people have got to be sustained. They've got to be maintained. So, watch them, make sure that they don't collect fluid. So give them Lasix, so that fluid doesn't collect. They don't go into heart failure, and keep them comfortable. And when this lady started exhibiting symptoms of cardiac instability, the physicians that were there, they gave her fluid. Here she is with a weak heart. Her heart can't pump fluid. She's got too much fluid on her lungs anyway. And they basically give her, 2 and 3 liters of fluid, and she functionally drowned in her own fluid. Just catastrophe, catastrophic. It was horrible. But I tried this case. They didn't offer anything in settlement, and we got I believe it was a $2.6 million verdict. It was a week-long trial. And we brought in some of the best and brightest experts. So that's one case that stands out. And, the end result is that this kid now is about 9, 10 years old. She's got a college trust fund that's sitting there waiting on her for when she turns 21.